Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you how I created this no makeup look. I haven't used any makeup product for this. It's only the lipstick that I've used and a kajal, and it's gonna be very easy and a beautiful look. You won't believe I don't have any highlighter on my face right now, but still my skin is super dewy and glowy without a highlighter. So in case you want to achieve this look, do watch the video till the end. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So right now I have cleansed my face and it's perfectly clean. I do have a breakout here and I tried to pop it, and that's why it's red and fresh and really pops out on my face. And also I do have some patches here and somewhere here. I think here I got a mosquito bite and it has turned out to be red. I hope you can see. And then there's here one scar and little bit of pigmentation around my lips. So that's my face situation right now. So first thing what I'll be doing is I'll moisturize my face, and for that I'll be using the Chemist at Play Dry to Normal Skin Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful face moisturizer if you are a dry skin person. They also have another moisturizer which is for combination type of skin or maybe the oilier ones, but this one is for dry to normal skin and it is the best. My skin is so dry, but this has no fragrance, nothing in it. It has ceramides as well, which just makes the skin barrier so much stronger, and it's purchased by me. It has nothing to do with the brand, just the hype on Instagram, and I thought I must give it a try, and that is the reason I gave it a try, and it's a bomb product. So I'll be taking a little bit of this product and I'll apply it all over my face. Now I'll be applying facial oil on my face. For that I use the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn oil. This is how it looks. It's very hyped up product, you might know. In case you're interested in purchasing any of the Plum products, I do have a coupon code that is RIA. I'll be flashing it on the screen. If you use it, you get a 15% off on your overall purchase at checkout on their website. And now I'll be putting 2 to 3 drops on my palm and I'll just rub it all over my face. This gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and it doesn't let your skin dry. Since now it's winters and my skin gets really dry, this oil really works well on my skin to keep it so much hydrated and glowy. So yeah, that's it. You can see already my skin is glowing and looks beautiful. And now for the very last step, I'll be applying the sunscreen, because as it's a daytime kind of a no makeup look, usually I do apply sunscreen. I'll be using the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun sunblock cream. Now this is sweat and waterproof and non-greasy. This is how it looks. And now I'll be taking 3 fingers of this and I'll apply it all over my face. It is very much non-greasy and sweat proof as well, and also it doesn't leave any white cast on the skin. That is the one reason I really love this. So now you can see with the sunscreen on, I look more glowy. Now that I'm done with the skincare, let's get on to the no makeup look, and for that I'll be using a BB cream. Now with me I have the Bellora Paris BB Natural Anti-Pollution Cream, which has SPF 30 in it. This is how it looks. Bellora Cosmetics is a new brand and it really has great products. So I'll take a little bit of this on my palm. This is how much I've taken, and I'll just dot it over my face and then use a blender just to So I'm done using the BB cream, and now what I'll be using is a concealer. For that I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics concealer in the shade 15 Cappuccino. So now what I'll be doing is I'll gently tap it with my fingers wherever I have patches. I don't use a beauty blender to do this because I feel it just wipes off the color. Like you can see now, the red patch that I had is just not visible. So I'm done with concealing my face. This is how the whole final look looks like after the concealer is done. So natural, nothing extra, that's all. Now I'll be using the My Glam Tinted Up Lip and Cheek Tint. You can see I've got a beautiful blush situation on my face and it looks so natural and so beautiful. You can see the glow as well. I don't even need a highlighter right now. If you see, my face is super highlighted, so I just don't need a fake highlighter to enhance my features. And now that is left is my eyes and my lips. So let's get to the eyes. For that I use the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Now what I do is usually I apply kajal and I do a eyeliner with the same pencil. So let's do it. But I'm not done. What I'll be doing is I have this trick where I use a brush and I just smudge it. So this is the kind of brush I use, the one with this kind of a tip, and what I'll do is I'll smudge my kajal from the lower lash line, somewhat like that. Now what I'll do is I'll smudge the kajal as well. You can see what I'm trying to do here. I give it a beautiful smoky kind of finish without even actually using a lot of makeup. So I'm done, and now that the color is left in the brush, what I do is I gently fill in my brows. So that way you're not even wasting the color in your brush, but also you just get to fill the brows with the same color. And now you can see my eyes are done and my face is done, and the only thing left is my lips. You can either use a tinted lip balm, but I don't like to use it on a daily basis, so I go with a nude or a pink nude shade. And for that I have this My Glam liquid lipstick in the shade Homebody. This is how the shade looks like. It does look different here and it actually looks really different. So let me apply this. This is the only product you could even use on your cheek and your lips as well. I sometimes do that, but today I've used the tint. So that's it. I'm done with my no makeup look. Let me know how you like it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. In case you did, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.